Okay, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano kayo gumawa ng refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and shipping policy na ilalagay nyo sa inyong Shopify store. So, we wanted to make these pages to show up in this quick links section. So, what we can do is go to our admin account, go to settings, and click the legal tab. Okay, we will create our refund policy from the template. So create from template. Okay, so this is our refund policy. So you have the option to edit this, or otherwise you can just click all or highlight all and copy. And we can make another tab. So duplicate this tab. Okay, and go to online store and click pages. Okay, so here we will call our page refund policy page. So add page. So put a title here, refund policy. Okay, and put your cursor here and right click and paste. So this is now your refund policy. So save it. Okay, so refund policy has been created. Next one, we're going to make our privacy policy page. Okay, so create from template. Again, you can edit this text here. Otherwise, you can just highlight, click all, or Control A, right click and copy. Then we go to our page section, add a new page, and we call this privacy policy page. Okay, click this one here and right click and paste. Okay, this is our privacy policy page. Then click save. Okay, the page was created. Go back to pages. Okay, come back here and we will create our terms of service page. So create from template. Highlight this all, Control A, right click and copy. Then go back to your page section, add a new page and call this terms of service. Terms of service. Okay, click this one here, right click and paste. Then you can save now. Okay, last thing is our shipping policy. So scroll down. Okay, this is the shipping policy. Okay, we will create our own shipping policy. Okay, under the shipping policy, so we will create our dummy shipping policy. So we go to dummy text. Click this one. Okay, so just highlight this. Okay, we will create our shipping policy on the page section. Okay, so go back to pages and add page. Okay, create a title, shipping policy. And here we will paste our dummy text and save. Okay, go to pages. Okay guys, na-create na natin yung privacy policy page, refund policy page, shipping policy page, and terms of service. Now what we're going to do is, we close this. We're going to put our new pages under the quick link section, which is down the bottom section of our page. So what we can do here is go to navigation, footer menu, add menu item, and name this as refund policy. Okay, go to pages and click the refund policy page that we have created and add. Okay, next one, privacy policy page. So add new menu item, privacy policy. Okay, so click the pages and look for privacy policy page and add. Okay, next. Okay, terms of service. Okay, add menu item, terms of service, and click the pages and look for terms of service page and add. Okay, the next one is the shipping policy. So add menu item, create the page, so shipping policy, and click the pages section and look for shipping policy and add. Okay, so what we can do is save it all and go to the website and refresh the website. Okay guys, ito na yung ating refund policy page, privacy policy page, terms of service, and the shipping policy. So your customer can just click the refund policy link. So this is our refund policy page, our privacy policy page. Okay, our terms of service page. Okay, and our shipping policy page. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.